Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use smart replies on Google Messages app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you found this helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. First, we are going to simply follow this article here and it will show us how we can create quick replies or smart replies in Google Messages. And simply, we can do that by first enabling the smart replies on the application. And to do so, you will be needing to simply go to the messages settings from your messages app, and then you will be able to enable your suggestion, which are the smart replies. And let's just apply that. You will be needed to go to settings by clicking on your profile picture or in the corner. And here we will find messages settings. By clicking on it, we will be able to find all these settings on the settings tab. And basically we want to click on suggestions. We go to smart replies and make sure to enable the smart replies. You can add suggested stickers, etc. And after that, you will be able to start creating new quick reply, or you will be having them as follow, and they will be shown on your conversation. So whenever someone send a message to your conversation, then you will find these suggestions, which are the smart replies, and then you can click on each reply, and then you can add them. Otherwise, you will be able to start creating new messages, or you can add your own quick reply on your settings. So you will be needing to simply go to write new messages, then you will find it here on your quick replies or on the plus sign here, and then you will be able to create your new message. Or you can simply go again to the message settings from here and then go to your smart replies, and here we will find it in suggestions, and you will find it that you will be able to enable ones or add new ones there. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.